ntubwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati andonsiaria utagiti showroom yeto nigo ere enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokia riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntubwate team tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebereria kende kensi uraganie bagotebereria company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unamono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibego babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama mabati alia ye chigage emeronge bire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na boigo web design babwate yiga nika babwate chikala buna bonelia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwa mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga cyo gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase MRM showroom onyare ko bagokwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo gucanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumu chuligo busongo iyo erange ne duka Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere ange ne bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetra ase namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Vipi, mbona mbwata hapa? Nini shida?
Unajikuta nani mshikaji wangu? Yaani unaweza ukavaa ujasiri kiasi cha kwamba unaweza kutoka na wadogo zetu kwa mada zetu ambao tunawategemea baadaye waje kuwa watu wakubwa, afu unakuja kuwachezea kirahisi. Oya, homeboy. Sikiliza nikwambie. Bi mkubwa anapata tabu kinoma noma kumsomesha ubinti. Si unanielewa eh? Mimi napambana kinoma noma na kaba huko mzee kwa sababu mdogo wangu mimi aishi vizuri. Afu boya mshamba kama wewe unakaa na pumbavu wenzako mnashawishiana kuja kutongoza wadogo zetu. Hivi si wangu, naomba nikuulize. Kuna wanawake wangapi huko wanajiuza? Mpaka wengine wanatimuliwa katika madangulo. Serious, unakuja kutembea na mwanafunzi?
Ni Chinsa Ikomi cha Afrika ya moja kusi Chinsa Ikomi cha wana maragoba asi Chinsa chonsi cha Afrika ya moja nekero ona ukwandirie nande naki wairire mwancho muligirire Getembe TV litukeriga ria Jumamosi ye tariki 14 umutinye ogatano narimo umwako yega kirobono kokwarigani eri nyare gukomanya aya tikire asi Chinsa mo anne mono ime yense yeto ya Kenya koro asense moyo manyerire nere vene nyaboke na nchinguru kwa Matildah Obaigwa. Karibu sana erinde tunyare kumanya kusinyare kumanya ayabeire kaokorekana ase Chinsemo Chinsemo cha Facebook na bwo YouTube eyemo asemo buna Getembe TV nekirongo chaka nigo bono umukonyi bo murai wense musike kidure kindiki anyare koraria buna abasa si mbabonete kwerikia ase emirimo ao anamono gwitira ase emitandao yo bono anyare goteba emirobere buna bono eri ya kazi mtaani, kazi kwa vijana na boigo kazi maju neyende menge eyo gosira abasae bono neche koirana nande gosirwa ne serikali yiga ya bono ka ukona korwa ase county ya Machakos ase ebunge ya yata ekero agenderete no murobere bo gosira ebyombe ao nigo anyare gosingira neribia abasae kwenyorera emirimo chingakie chiga elio kwekonya na boigo gusira chinka chiabo.
Kuna vijana wengine wanasema wao hataki kazi ya walimu ama ya polisi, wanataka waliambia rais na serikali turudishe ile program ilikuwa imepotea zamani kwa sababu ya ukosefu wa pesa, na mmesikia rais ametangaza siku ya madaraka tarehe 1 akiwa Homa Bay ya kwamba hii serikali sasa imerudisha ile program ya zamani ilikuwa imekufa. Ilikuwa inaitwa kazi kwa vijana, saa ingine ikaitwa kazi mtaani, sasa tunaiita climate works, kazi mtaani. Tumeanza pale Nairobi na vijana 20,000 kusafisha mito, kusafisha miji yetu, kupanda miti mazingira yetu isiharibike. Na rais amemrisha ile pilot project tulikuwa tumeanza Nairobi tuilete katika county zote 47 za Kenya na sub county 482 za Kenya. Kwa hivyo hiyo program vijana wana apply kwa mtandao na inafungwa kesho. If you have not applied, please enroll if you want to be part and parcel of the climate works kazi mtaani. Na itakuwa kila mahali hapa, hata Yata tutaandika vijana kufanya hiyo kazi. Watusaidie kulinda mazingira, kupanda miti, kusafisha miji, na wao wapate riziki yao ya kila siku. Tuendelee na hiyo kazi mtaani jameni. Ndio vijana wawache kukaa sokoni bila kufanya chochote na kuingia kwa mambo ya pombe na bangi. So that program is back and we are going to make sure we employ at the beginning 110,000 youths across Kenya. Lakini tukianza nao tutaongeza wengine tukiendelea mbele. Wale wanatafuta kazi mitandaoni, about 500,000 young people now are working digitally. Wanafanya kazi mtandaoni. We want to increase that number. Vile vile wale watoto wanapata kazi nje. Wewe kijana, msichana, mvulana, ukipata kazi nje usijali, wewe enda fanya pale, bado uko na nguvu. Lakini usipotelee huko.
Mwanzo murire na boigo omoske kithore kindiki nigo anyare koraria una chinyomba chiri serikali egenderete kwagacha asinse ya Kenya chirigori irike gosechimanykanete buna affordable housing nigo bono atebire chirengete gosira aborokiwa bari ase university college na boigo ase skuru cho bubundi ime yense ya Kenya ekero atebire nonyene chi hostel na bochigo chikwagacho inse yo morobere yo nenjere ya mo yo kwena na obumenyo bia gochase aborokiwa anamono abasae.
Hiyo program ya housing na market pia tunaitumia kujengea watoto wetu ambao wako university na colleges na TVET na polytechnic, kuwajengea manyumba ya kuishi. Ndio vijana wetu hawa Gen Z na vijana wetu hao vijana wasikae mbali na university ama shule, waishi karibu na shule, ndio wa focus na masomo yao, kwa sababu tunawategemea, wazazi wanawategemea, taifa linawategemea. Wakikaa mbali na shule huko na kuchanganya masomo na raha za dunia, ndio unakuta vijana wengine wamepotea katika mambo ya pombe haramu, wengine madawa ya kulevya. Tungetaka tuwajengee ma hostels, wasome vizuri, kwa sababu hao ndio watakuja kuchukua usukani kama wazazi na kama wafanyikazi wa kujenga taifa letu la Kenya. Na nikiwa hapa niseme hiyo program tunajenga hostels across the country, kwa ma university, kwa technical training institute, polytechnics, Kenya medical training colleges across the country.
Gutigana nayo ni kiumbe kiria gikumurikira ubukoreri bwa banyanyimbo aiga asense ya Kenya kimanyikanite na Independent Policing Oversight Authority guse IPOA ni gobono kianyarire kuraria abene buna uyu manyikanite na James Mukwana uyu ro munyanyimbo oyomo asigitasini kia banyanyimbo kia Central Police ime county ya Nairobi niko agenderete kubekwa biara na boigo ni garache kogendera koba asigitasini kia banyanyimbo ase amatuko 52 ale cio ekero ubutuki bugenderete gukorekana na boigo nigo kianyarire kuraria bene buna ritukure igoro uyore umo OCS korwa asigitasini kyo kyabanyanyimbo Samson Talam nere na nyarite kubekwa biara abo bale egati ya bali bagendete kumurekerwa kigima anna mono igoro yogosira kwaye umwarimu Albert Ojwanga.
Investigations found that the CCTV system had been interfered with, DVR power cable disconnected, and DVR logs indicated that the operating disk has been changed and formatted. On June 2025 at 7:28 seconds to 7:32.
It is our submissions that out of that, this is a knee-jerk reaction to show everybody and the people are talking that we have arrested someone.
Because at one point they will interfere with witnesses. At another point, we have interrogated the witnesses. So where is the truth?
The deceased died in police custody within the jurisdiction of officers we know. We know the officers responsible in this station in the custody in which he died, where that the deceased was booked in alive, okay? And the next time he was booked out, he was purportedly taken to hospital at Mbagadi. And what we learned from Mbagadi Hospital is that he was actually pronounced dead on arrival.
We expect much more from these investigations. We expect to see more senior people taking responsibility. We expect to see people who are the masterminds of this heinous act that took the life of our brother.
Mwancho murire gutigara asingane yo yogosira kwa Albert Ojwanga niko bono aborokia anne mono bari bare inse iye kiombe ya kupet bagendete kumurira ase chinsemo ime yense ya Kenya muna bono korwa ase county ya Kajiado, county ya Kisii, county ya Kisumu ne chinde chinyinge niko bono aborokia banyare usanga ebirengere byabo na kiro bakubolia obwene bwae Ojwanga bonyare gutoka na bakubolia ekiombe ekerikia IPOA Kenyare kwangoya na boyo kwene abuna amachibora chikobwatuko nigo are aye oboene na boigo abalimu banyare kwegwa oborindi bwisaine ase ense ya Kenya.
We condemn what happened in the strongest terms possible, and we are saying we don't have guns, but we have brains, and we are saying we cannot allow this to continue.
We stand here tonight, united as members of KUPPET, the Kenya Union of Post-Primary Education Teachers, to express our deepest sorrow and our unwavering solidarity. We are here not just to light candles, but we need a frame of truth that will not be extinguished until justice is served to Albert Ojwanga.
We want justice for our teacher. We want justice for all those who have been killed in the brutality way. As KUPPET Kisii, we stand with the family and we announce that let the legal team and the apparatus, security apparatus and the IPOA swing into action and have those who are in charge, those who perpetrated this kind of ugly incident, to be brought into book.
We denounce police brutality, injustice, and all forms of violence. We stand with Mr. Ojwang's family in calling for transparent investigations into the killing and accountability for those responsible.
Gutigana nayo nigo bono umwaziri woboremi omoske mutaikawe anyare kuboria abarai ebechi county gose abagavana banyare kwenekia achinde mirogo se amale malionsi arense yoboteneneri bwa serikali anyare kurendwa anemuno nekero bono bali babwate enibogo se babwate chinguru bakonyara gusagana amale mayaga nabo igokubika abiasara byabo nabo igo ebintu binde ebinge aroro kagukwana korwa ase orugungo rwa western nigo bono anyare kubura buna eyunenjere yamo yokwenekia abuna chisho ground nabo igo ebiti ibinde ne Chinsa mo chinde chinyinge echo chitenenere ne chiserikali bono chanyare kwewa oborindi boisaine bunenjere moyo kogendera kuigora kusegutwara ribaga elio abasae na boigone bikogenda na kusanga amangana ama.
The ASK show remains a key forum for youth engagement and innovation dissemination. We encourage youth to take advantage of the knowledge and technologies showcased, and we urge counties and the private sector to enhance support for agribusiness incubation and mentorship. Of particular importance, I would like to urge the county governments to protect the lands that are occupied by the ASK, to work closely with the ASK to make such lands as where we are now economically viable. Governor, the fact that you have got a rugby pitch in this area as well as a showground and cooperating with the ASK branch is really something to emulate. And we would like other counties, you know, some of them look at the ASK land wanaona ni kama pahali imenona kidogo alafu nataka kuichukua. Tafadhali bwana governor, the ASK property is the ASK.
Wancho muligere abwasengane yo yachinde mero nongo kolera Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi chawono marogoba na nekeronda chikugotiga ase amaboko aye mukate eno kuna boigo DJ Topsha wakoretere umurobere osabathe mix yerinde onyare kwenyora materiali ohanchite anemono yege Kristo kuro ase edene gosekuro sensemo ya SD wancho muligere nchinkuru kwa Matildah Obaigwa hendera utigara ime ya Getembe TV emaragoba yawono twara oboligere afure obuya.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na buigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri iriya bantabati buigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani gwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyueranga ne duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwe trase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Boy Jua Kali Center neduka egokoneria ebitamba byokorosia echisovaset ebirugo byechisovaset bagomba bwate chikapet chisanduki cy'abana bagucira eskuru na boygo echo kubekera chianga nigo babwate emeito yebirengo ao kurwa eri abana bagucira eskuru amarangeti ebitamba byokwara na kurarira babwate chichiko chiviber chokoroseria ebirugo na boygo chips chokoros chipillowcase echo ogorarira
Gagi. Omwana yo boy, diganda ndango ichibeza. Chibeza ntabwate muko, lakini naikire taraja seito, nanyorere mwapo ichi wakali. Hai, bona chibeza kwenda mpulingi go pulingi. Emeito ya bana bakuchere sukuru. Emeito yo konyora bana chisare. Kwa razangu ra duniani. Kaki, oroje paka nabwate paka ebintombire bakoro kwa chiferi veti. Chikorozi, ebirogo. Diechikali. Hai! Kaki apa kusiba sepinga imore. Kaki imore. Hai! Inchu waki mwenzi tabatari. Ninchu goja moye binto kuruga mwapo ichi wakali. Hili, omuganga chemisi onkoroko. Kaki.
Mbabwate chitandarua chokorosia ebirugo byechigali na boigo ebirugo bya leather. Gusechi sofa set chia leather. Gwetania bo nigo kubanyora babwate chi velvet. Echo uranyare koroseria ebirugo byao gusekende gyonsi origeti korosia. Nebintu nebyo. Mbabwate cha ase ebirengo ao manyiga nonyane chitandarua chokorosia chihema mbabwate kaibagotoka nigo bagotoka ange ne hotel ya Kisii Hotel katikati yo musikiti odaraja mbili na Uru Superstores barabari na Kisii Hotel gutaka kumanya bange na kugura kende gyonsi bakere ase enamba 0720688220 boy Jua Kali Center inkyukanyete utaragura ebintu bya okuruoro
njempo Jua Kali Store na bariga ni mwesto kole biashara sobwamo ingotoka opposite Kisii Hotel na bariga ni mwesa
Gagi. Gagi, genda mwapoi gagi nyasaye baba poli Jua Kali. Gagi, egotoka alinsa alitara chambini. Gagi, ligere libudango kuanete, omusio mubihili. Gagi, nandiri gori kwa sarense. Ebinto nago lile gagi. Poi Jua Kali. Hai! Hili. Gagi. Hili. Hai, ngokongkonya. Musio mubihili. Kulite bintu muni mamba.
Nigo bakwigura amatukonsi kuri nderi tukuri sabato tibari kwigura.
Ila nafsi na ita
Tarare ogo kwa wakefa nyakego mirera oyuro mwana o James mirera na Jemima Kemunto na boigo Alexina Kirbo. Garo